Wilson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Palmyra. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, eastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near southern Lake Winnebago to near Slinger to Richmond, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, Waukesha, West Allis, Sheboygan, Wautosa, Fond du Lac, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, West Bend, Mount Pleasant, Muskego, Mequon, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, and Cudahy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.